Alright, welcome back with part 2 of this, and I'm going to try to figure out how to turn the drone on. I think there's just one button over here. We'll just press that. And I don't know what's going to happen at that point. Will we get any rotation from the... I don't know how to arm this thing. Is there some kind of arming system? Usually you do something like this and it starts arming something. Nothing's happening, nothing's happening. I did look at the instructions, but they didn't say anything about this. Sometimes you have to do this. Something calibration. Maybe you can just do this, I don't know. It's telling me there's not a whole lot of battery in the drone, so maybe I haven't charged it long enough. I can see stuff through the drone. Interesting. Whoa. Only for a second and then it disappeared. Try that again, or just maybe I'm going to have to put that battery on charge again. Does that do anything? It was kind of giving me something, but maybe the battery's just not charged enough for me to be able to do anything. So we'll just put it back on the charger and hopefully something good will happen.